On the first base. Wow, he's doing it! All right, Owen! What is today? August 13th, Friday the 13th. And Owen, yesterday, started riding without training wheels. Hooray! There he is. Off he goes. Still going. Oh, did he stop all by himself? Nice! Here comes Owen. Here he comes. There he goes. Nice job. What a cool. Mastering turns. Oh. There he goes. He's turning. He's turning. Yay! Yeah! Here he comes. Nice job.
Pedal.
Yeah! Yay!
Let's keep going. Keep pedaling. Chase me. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling.
Keep going around that circle. Oh! There he goes.
All the way past.
There he goes. There he goes.
Do it one more time around. Come on. Keep pedaling. You're fine. Keep pedaling. You're fine.
Yeah!
It's okay. You just turned a little too hard. Keep going. Let's go. Pedal.
There you go. There you go.
Come on. Get me.
Go chase Daddy. Go get him. Nice work, Owen. There you go. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Come on. What's going on? You never got me.
Oops. Yay!
I get out another break.
Say, I'm 5 years old and I ride a two-wheeler.
5 years old. I'm 5 years old.
And I ride a two-wheeler. Can you say I ride a two-wheeler? Look at me and say it.
I ride two-wheel. I ride two. I ride two-wheel. I ride two.
Yeah.
All right.